Hey guys, so today I filmed this natural makeup tutorial based on this look that I'm wearing right here. So if you like this look, then please keep watching for the video, and if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, still like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so straight into the video, and I'm starting off using the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil just to outline my brows. I then go ahead and shade in my brows. And now I'm just using my spoolie brush to brush my brows out. And then I go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to conceal my brows. This is probably my favourite concealer to use on my brows because of the brush applicator, which makes it so easy to just put on. I then go ahead and just blend that all out. I also bring it down when I'm blending the bottom bit. I bring it down to my eyelids so that it creates a sort of base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm using the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Fever eyeshadow palette, and I blend the shade all over my eyelid. I like this shade because it creates that sort of natural look. It's not too bright, it's just sort of a neutral pinkish colour. And then I use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Priming Base as a primer, and I just rub this all over my face. This is probably the second time I'm using this primer, and it's not too bad, to be honest. It sort of it's not matte, so it doesn't create a matte look. And then I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and I'm using two shades, 8N Cappuccino and 8RC Nut. And I basically dot this around my face, and then I just blend it out. And then for my highlight, I go in again with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the same shade Fawn, and I highlight basically under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my lip area and my chin. And then I take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. It's already wet, guys, but I just add a bit of setting spray to it just to set my concealer, and then I blend this all out. And then I go in with my all-time favourite, the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder, to set my concealer. I love this powder. it works really good. I mean, that's all I can say. I've been using it for ages and I have not yet swapped it out, so it's clearly doing something right. And now I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate liquid eyeliner just to do my wing eyeliner, and I am totally rubbish at eyeliner, guys, so just don't judge. And now I'm just dusting my face off with the L'Oreal Paris True Match powder, and now going in with the Makeup Revolution eyeliner and just lining my lower waterline. And then I'm just adding the same shade I used on my eyeshadow, just below my waterline. And now I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara mascara, just to do my mascara. I believe this is quite new. And then I'm just gonna put on some eyelashes. Add out. So eyelashes on, I'm gonna go in again with some eyeliner on my bottom lashes. Not eyeliner, mascara, sorry. On my bottom lashes. And then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Renaissance lip liner in the shade Glory. I use this quite a lot. As you can see, there's literally nothing left. And then now I go in with the LA Girl Pro Face Matte Press Powder in the shade Cocoa, and I use this for my contour, and I just put it all over my forehead, make it look a bit smaller, and then all over my cheeks. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Nudes Collection Gloss Lipstick in the shade Boudoir. Along with the Makeup Revolution Blush Palette, and I believe this is Hot Spice. I've had this for years and years and years. I don't even know if they still sell it, but it still does its job, so we gonna keep it. Now I'm using the Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in the shade Rock on World. This is my favourite bronzer at the moment because, I mean, I got it for about £3, which is really cheap, and it works good. I love the fact that it's not too bright. It's just the right sort of brightness for myself. I don't like to look, all glowy and whatnot, but I think this does the job. And as you can see, I've just highlighted my cheekbones, the tip and the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow. And then I go ahead and set my face using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix spray. And we air that out and let it dry, and that's it. I hope you like the video. Thank you.